Welcome to our bonus episode for the week. CV axles from eBay. Are they good? Are they trash? The answer is...
It depends.
It depends on your frame of reference. These eBay CV axles we put in about 2,000 miles ago, and they failed about 1,000 miles ago. But they are like half the price of one of the quote-unquote right ones. The problem on these cars, for a lot of people with these 330xis, these boots fail constantly. They say it doesn't even matter if you get the good ones, they're constantly failing. Just like these failed. They separated, they spray the goo everywhere, as you can see. It's just disgusting under here. They're through eBay, they're a TRQ brand from like 1A Auto, I think. They have a lifetime warranty. So when they start failing, I reached out to them and they're like, we're gonna send you another one out. It was 2 days later, there was a fresh one at my house. This job is super annoying. You don't want to be doing this every 1,000 miles, 1,500, 2,000 miles.
Each oil change.
Yeah, you don't want to be replacing these axles with every oil change. That's just beyond stupid. But one of the fixes that I heard through all of my deep diving in the forums is that basically they think that the boots are squished too close together, this accordion, and so they rub constantly, make contact, split, and then that's how you get the failure. So in theory, if we snip off this little clip and spread it out a little bit and then reclamp, they won't interact as much. So with our new set that we have in this pile of goodies over here, before we put them on the car, we're gonna actually cut the clamp, spread the boot, reclamp it with some hose clamps from Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever, and then reinstall. And then, we'll try again to see if it works. If it does, perfect. We have a very cheap set of CV axles that will hopefully last a lot longer, and we won't have to think about them anymore. And at worst case, it fails again, they are under warranty and they'll send us a new one and we'll try again. But if we run a third set of these, we're probably gonna need to find a different option. So that's what this video is about. We're in the middle of doing suspension on this one. You can check out that video. We'll have it up in the corner right here. And if you want to support us at all, we have a partnership with Fitville. You can get 28% off these sweet old shoes. Super, super comfortable. It's making it a lot easier to work in the garage. They're great, great, great shoes. Code down below. But that's what we're doing in this little mini video. We'll get the other one out. We'll do the fix, slap them in, and then we'll send you on your merry way. So thank you very much. Let's get to it. Okay, got the new one on the table. I heard people like unboxing videos. Let's see what we think here. Here's our new boy. Once again, didn't think I'd see one again so soon. This one's packaged a little bit nicer. I don't remember these on the other one.
This one was built with love.
So very similar, in fact identical, because it is the identical part. Just a quick recap. They think the issue is turning. See how all this interaction right here? There's a lot of rubbing together, a lot of opportunities for this to bust. So what we're gonna do, gonna break this clamp right here, slide this up about 1 inch, and hopefully stop that from interacting so viciously, reseal. So not too far where it rips on this side, but not too close where they're all super interacting on this side. Hopefully it's a happy medium in between the two. We will see. So we're gonna just take this right here, re-secure it. Hopefully you don't have to think about it anymore.
I know I won't. I'll try first.
Okay, that feels pretty good. Okay, so we thought we'd whip out the other side so you can see a little comparison before and after what we're trying to do here. This is the side we haven't changed. It has the original clips, and this one up here has the hose clamps, and we offset these hose clamps to try to counterbalance any off balancing that these little screws could give us. But if you come over here, we could try to turn these at the same amount, and you can see, we have some interaction here still, but it's not touching in the middle here. Hopefully there's less pressure there. If you look here, almost all three of these are all rubbing up against each other right here. So, and then if you look here in the middle, this line is where we brought this out to up here. So you can see how much further in we spread these. Alleviate you know,
The rubbing.
the rubbing. There's a lot of that
Less
pressure.
friction.
Yeah, if you see like this one has to turn, it has to flex about that much to touch now, whereas this one touches much sooner, and like this, and that doesn't touch in the middle, which is where I believe, if we look here,
Yeah, two pieces in.
it was two pieces in that it split. So coming back here, two pieces in, this side is now not touching, where it touches right away right here. So that's the thought process. That's what we're trying to do here. That's what this little quickie episode's about. We're gonna try this, give the cheap CV axles another go, because they fit perfectly. You know, you want to try to save some money here because this is a failure-prone part of the car. All you 330xi guys, shout out. Represent. Okay, guys, we're on to the other side. Also, it's a different day. Hi. This is the driver's side, shorter, which is cool. If you know, it's so hot in here. It's June. We thought we had more time. It's so hot in here. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the new one. Pop out this clip, slide it down an inch, pop it back in, and then reinstall it. We'll do another update video on this later, because that's what we're trying to figure out. Like, can you make these cheaper CV axles work for you, or do you really got to spend that money? Okay, got these on right here. We're gonna slap this back in the car, and we have to do like a long-term update to see if this actually works. That's the only like really downside of doing a video like this. Is it going crooked? Our stuff is getting so hot out here. It's all just failing as we speak. It's way hot in here. But yeah, the downside of this, let's just let it be crooked. Yeah, so it doesn't fight.
Well, it's gonna keep going.
All right. Yeah, so the downside of doing a video like this. So the downside of doing a video like this is we have to like drive it a whole bunch more and see if it works or doesn't work or something like this. We can't really give you a resolution in this. We just want to give you a possible fix for people dealing with the 330xi or the 325xi. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. We will check in. Yeah, but I will say they lifetime warranty. They honor that warranty. We got these back super quick. You know, like, so you do have that kind of peace of mind. So I will give the company credit for that. Yeah, we'll get this back on. We'll see you a few videos later, see if they do anything good. But yeah, thanks for stopping into this little mini boy. Please like, share, subscribe if you want.
And watch us have a hard time with this video.
Yes, with our suspension video up there. Oh, yes, use the code AUTO28 for some sweet Fitville shoes to help some brothers out over here. Yeah, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you, boys.